Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Food Northeast Kickboxing Championship Arajal Arpuhendrio kabla penong da All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. Hagajinya trilang bat ka Northeast Kickboxing Association kalalong ka bajam. Hagani gajinya kap lawan menshimenta da palat South Patam kinong yakun naga Jylla Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura bat Meghalaya. Yakani gajinya kap la penong hagani ki laisngi ha Bharat Scouts and Guides Shillong. Hagani gasingi la sami ki khusnam shikinong job magi kerdan bapera do ukong san uba AL Hek MLA ke penthor ungkra constituency habakran hagani gasingi nakaliang uba AL Hek ula ajinya ro ika organizer ki bala ban pun udlong yakani ka Fourth Northeast Kickboxing Championship aja apu hendrio ula kitbok kit riang yakirang bat ki thayele kai bakin la ban trish tom shu ban ra nam bat buram yaka Jylla ki bakimi ikman ula ongru bakum ka than shri lamingi ngin yang teli ka wei but ngini trilang kna bakiway kin ompet ben yangi. Hakani ka Fourth Northeast Kickboxing Championship archa apunrio ya ka first runners up lara daga Jylla Manipur, second runners up lara daga Jylla Assam, but ka overall champion lara daga Jylla Meghalaya.
Sunmoni Bora. Nibidita Das. Gold medals. Antin Icon Royal Fund Receiver
North Kickboxing Association and All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association for organizing this beautiful tournament which has given a platform for all the youths coming from the different states to participate in this tournament today. Congratulations to each one of you, particularly the all participants, whether you are winning or not. Your participation itself is the winner. You are the winner, and congratulations to all the winners, the runners-up, and all the prize winners for this tournament today. I really appreciate Samuel. You have been in touch with me, and you keep in touch what time I reach, what time. Now before coming here also, you have told me to ensure that I reach on time for this program. I really congratulate for his efforts, his discipline, and his organizing skill that he is having. It's a great job that he has done, and he has given the talents, given the platform to all the talent to showcase their talents here. I'd like to thank to all the states from the Manipur, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, from Mizoram, except Sikkim, etc. They have not come. But next time I saw that all 8 states will be a brotherhood to come to Meghalaya to be ensured that the integration that is built among all the community, all the different people here in the state of Northeastern state and also in our country, India today. I once again like to congratulate sir. I would like to inform you also. See, we from the Northeast Integration Rally and Festival, we are organizing the festival on the 6th and 7th there at Riboy Untro for to bring all the Northeastern people, whether they are from the different language, they are a different community, they are a different tribe, they are a different, whatever they belong. We are proud to be a Northeastern state. Nobody should look us like we are a Chinky, we are a Chinese, and nobody should say like that only. We should live peacefully in our country, we should live peacefully in the world today. Let's make this world a better place to live in for you, for me, and for everyone. Once again, I'd like to thank the Samuel Hasha, the Samuel for organizing such a very heartbreaking tournament in the state of Meghalaya, in the capital of Meghalaya, Shillong. Congratulations and God bless you all. Thank you.